Hi, welcome back to Postbox C channel and back to the tutorial for C programming language. This is a tutorial definitely helpful for who are preparing a UGC NET, college level, competitive, any university examination. Let's continue. The previous session I explained about the call by value and call by reference, whereas the continuation of function. Please kindly check the playlist and check the videos whenever you want continuity, and please support the channel. Now, let's go for session today. Today we are going to see the topic called precursor, one of the major topics. So you know what is source code, the starting session, what is source code, compilation and everything. Let's discuss about the precursor code today. So precursor means there will be a lot of meaning and definition will be there. A program which processes the source code before it passes through the compiler. It is known as precursor. So simple definition what? It processes the source code before it passes through the compiler. And the commands of the commands of the precursor are known as precursor directives. So before going the topic, you should know what is what here. Then, or else you can say it's a microprocessor that allows or that microprocessor that transform your program before it is compiled. And these transformers can be inclusion of the header file, micro expansor, and so on. And all preprocessor directive should be begin with the hash symbol. That is must. And what are the types of now the question is what are the types of preprocessor directive? So here there are three categories there. One is called macro substitution, another one is called file inclusion, another one is called compiler control directives. We'll see one by one with a very small example for better understanding. I'll give very small. Whoever want to learn properly and crack the IT interest also, it will be helpful for you. First, you see the macro substitution. It always what will do? It always replaces of identifier by a predefined string here. Syntax. The general syntax for macro substitution is as defined identifier string. So example, let's take the example of a simple program which demonstrate the macro substitution and find the area of the circle. So find the area of the circle. So I am writing the program as encode stdio.h and has define. I'm going to define pa space 3.1415. This is the exact value of pi value. Then I am writing the program int main open brace. Then I am writing float radius comma area and print enter the radius scan up percentage of and the radius and I am applying the formula where it's very important to calculate the area circle of the area. So I am writing area is equal to pi r6 multiplies radius and at last I want to print the result. So I am writing print area is equal to point 2 f comma area. So remember here we are the user, we are going to enter some value. What are the value we are going to enter the radius value, it will go and find the area of the circle easily. Let's go for demonstration. So to save the time I already kept the program in the online compiler. Let's see the execution here. So if you want to use turbo C what time we are here. So here, so once you execute the program, it asks enter the radius of the circle. That is just I'm giving 4 or just I'm giving 2. What will happen? It go and put in the answer of 12 point something. Yeah. So like that we can use the macro inclusion simply and easily like that. Let's go for another one. Let's continue the PPT here. So here next type is what? File inclusion. File inclusion. So file inclusion we have to remember, and simple thing to say is the external file containing function or macro definitions that can be encoded using the hash encode directive. Syntax is very simple. There are two syntaxes there. This is a simple syntax where hash encode angle bracket file name. Sorry, this is the simple index. One more you can use open indented, close indented comma also. Let's see the small example. So the file include is the one by default all the programs having any C program it have a starting area, it have a as include stdio.h and so on. Then you can write the program main then printf follow. Then you here the definition of printf is present in the stdio.h header file. That is the thing you have to remember here. So remember, so file link is the one where the external file containing the function or macro definitions already inbuilt with the all C programming. Let's go for another topic, another type here. that is compiler control directives. So it can be so one of the special feature provided by C programmer where it can be used to switch on off a particular line or group of line in a program. Examples you can say hash if, hash else, hash end. Just you can say another format true or false. Let's say the small example where we can write the program hash encode stdio.hash, then I can define line 1. The meaning is what? If line 1 present in the program, it will display. Otherwise, it go the else part. Similar to if else were discussed in the decision control statements. So I can write the program main. Then I'm going to give if as if diff line. Then print of this line number is 1 like that. Else, if not there, it you have to print this is line number 2 and finish with the hash and if must here. So like that I can write the very simple program for understanding the compiler control directive. So you know here what happened has defined line 1 is there. So it will go automatically. What is the output of the program now? If you execute the program, it go and print the answer that is this is line number 1 because already defined here. So already defined has defined line 1 like that. So these all are about the pre-passed directives. If you have any queries or suggestions, please kindly communicate with the studio. And thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, press bell icon for more updates. Thank you.